Stella Songbird and the Legendary Library by Lauren Wright. In the heart of Whimsywood, where the leaves whispered secrets and the flowers held stories, lived Stella Songbird. Stella was known not just for her cheerful melodies, but also for her insatiable curiosity. She loved to explore new places, learn new things, and share her discoveries with her friends. One crisp morning, as Stella fluttered from branch to branch, she overheard a hushed conversation between two elderly owls. "The hidden library in the Enchanted Forest still holds secrets from the ancient times," one of them said. Stella's feathers ruffled with excitement. A hidden library? She had to find it. Without wasting a moment, Stella set off towards the Enchanted Forest. As she flew, she searched for a wise old tortoise named Terence. She found him slowly making his way along a path. "Hello, Terence," Stella chirped. "You've been around the Enchanted Forest for longer than anyone else I know. Do you know anything about a hidden library in the forest?" Terence looked up and smiled. "Ah, the hidden library. To find it, you must first solve these riddles. Always old, sometimes new, never sad, sometimes blue, never empty, sometimes full, never pushes, always pulls. What am I?" Stella thought for a moment before the answer came to her. "The moon!" she exclaimed. Terence nodded approvingly. "Correct. Keep that thought in mind for later. Next, answer me this. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?" This one stumped Stella for a moment longer. She thought hard, and then exclaimed, "An echo, right?" "That's right," Terence said. "Now, follow the path of echoes, and it will lead you to your next clue." With renewed determination, Stella continued her journey, listening for echoes that bounced off the trees and rocks. Eventually, she came across a group of playful squirrels chattering excitedly. They greeted Stella warmly and invited her to join their game of hide-and-seek. "We have a clue for you," said the leader of the squirrels, "but you must find us first." Stella accepted the challenge. She flew around using her keen eyes and ears to locate the hidden squirrels. When she had found them all, the leader handed her a small, shiny pebble. "Why do you have this pebble?" Stella asked, curiosity gleaming in her eyes. "How did it come to you?" The leader of the squirrels, a bright-eyed squirrel named Piper, smiled. "We found it near the enchanted pond a while ago, and knew it was special. We heard whispers among the forest creatures about the hidden library, and we figured this pebble might be a clue. We've been waiting for someone curious and determined like you to come along." "Thank you," Stella said, her heart swelling with gratitude. "I'll take this pebble to the enchanted pond." Piper nodded. "Good luck, Stella. Remember, sometimes the journey itself holds the answers you seek." Stella thanked the squirrels again and made her way to the enchanted pond. The water sparkled under the sunlight, and as she dipped the pebble into the pond, a golden fish emerged. "Hello, Stella," the fish greeted. "To find the hidden library, you must learn the value of patience. Sit by the pond and listen to the water's song." Stella perched on a nearby rock and listened. The gentle lapping of the water and the occasional splash of fish created a soothing melody. As she listened, she realized that patience was key to understanding and learning. After a while, the fish spoke again. "I see you have learned well, Stella. The entrance to the library lies beyond the maze of thorns. Use what you have learned to navigate through it." With thoughts of recent lessons echoing through her mind, Stella made her way towards the maze of thorns. The path was overgrown, choked out by the thorny vines. Stella's excitement grew, and as she moved faster, the thorns seemed to stretch towards her. She remembered the lesson about patience that she had just learned, and slowed her movements. When she did, the thorns retreated and allowed her to pass. At the center of the maze, Stella found a stone with a magical inscription and several oddly carved stone shapes. She picked up the shapes one by one and found 2 of them that fit together. This must be a puzzle, but when the shapes connected, what should they look like? Stella thought for a long moment, but then she remembered the first riddle that Terence had asked her. The answer had been the moon. She connected the stone pieces into the shape of a crescent moon, and a hidden door opened before her. She had found the entrance to the hidden library. Inside, Stella discovered shelves filled with ancient scrolls and books. She spent hours reading and absorbing the wisdom contained within. But as she read, she realized that this knowledge was too precious to keep to herself. Stella returned to Whimsywood with a heart full of new songs and stories. She gathered her friends and shared what she had learned, enriching the lives of everyone around her. "Curiosity led me to new knowledge," Stella said, "but sharing it with all of you is what truly makes it valuable." And so, Stella's adventure not only brought her new inspiration, but also taught her the importance of curiosity, patience, and sharing knowledge with others. The creatures of Whimsywood were grateful, and Stella's songs became richer and more meaningful, echoing the wisdom she had gained on her quest.